on? So we're back. We got our lashes done. Thank you, Mila girl.
You're gorgeous. I'm gonna get you right.
Okay.
I'm gonna get my girl together.
And do it. And do. Now we're off to see the wizard. Okay. All right. Love you. Bye. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Malaysia Simone, and today we are doing a maintenance day. My mama has my baby. My mom has been very busy. She has not been able to get my baby. And it is like a Saturday. What I was gonna say? I was gonna say Sunday Funday, but it's not Sunday. It's Saturday, and I have the free day. My daughter has gotten out of school. She got out of school a week early, than we anticipated. So I hate when I put on lip gloss and then I go to like a lash appointment and I don't know, sometimes like resting while my lips closed makes the lip gloss like that happen. But literally everything just hit me all at once, and I was saying, I was telling my husband, I was like, I feel like I just haven't had a time to take everything in. And so my mom volunteered to watch my daughter, and so that's what is happening. She watched it last night. Me and Sarah had a charcuterie board night. We made a seafood charcuterie and some artichoke dip, and it was so good, y'all. We made mocktails, we prayed, we worshiped. It was just so like awesome, to be honest. It was just awesome. It was just really awesome. I really enjoyed it. I'm really pleased, really happy. Went to sleep, had the best sleep. Almost woke up late for my lash appointment. When y'all see me getting ready, I was rushing. I even forgot to put on deodorant. But I don't smell bad. Maybe I did put on deodorant because it smells like I have on deodorant. So maybe I did put on deodorant. But I've been using Native. It's not an antiperspirant, perspirant. I don't know. It doesn't stop sweat. It just stops you from stinking. So I still sweat. My anxiety was high because I was rushing to get to the lash appointment. And then I had to go to the bathroom at the end, so I started sweating because I didn't want to bother her. But I'm just like, bro, I have to go to the bathroom. But she did an amazing job on my lashes. Y'all see my lace? Or we're gonna take care of that later. Okay, we're gonna take care of that later. I am about to go get a pedicure, but first I ordered burrito tacos from the Veal, Itu Mama, Lil Za. It's like that whole little network in Richmond. I'm at the Forest Hill location. So if you like it, if you like burrito tacos, these are some of the best burrito tacos that I've had. And especially being in Richmond, I haven't found many burrito spots in Richmond. Comment down below if you're in Richmond and you know burrito, queso burrito tacos that I could get that's not from here. But these are really good. But I'm trying to convince Jamila to do my brows and do microblading, because lashes and brows and not having to be so for real. That is so bomb. I want her to do my brows so much. So, and I know she watches my videos because she told me today that she's watching my videos. Girl, I need you to do my brows, okay? If you haven't already, because I don't know when this is going up. But I really should do my hair. But yeah, I just wanted to welcome you guys into the vlog, talk to you guys. I'm chilling. I'm thinking about taking the food over to the nail place and eating in my car and watching some YouTube videos. Honestly, to be honest, that's exactly what I'm probably gonna do. It is a nice day outside, and usually I would take my food and sit out at this park here. But if I can be honest with you guys, Richmond hasn't been the safest place to be. And I pray for my city. But I'm in my own, my old neck of the woods before we moved into our new house. I'm over here in this neighborhood. I used to frolic here all the time. And even in that moment, I knew that I was okay because I was here all the time. And like the population here, it's a really artsy place. Like, it's a super artsy place. It's not a bunch of us here, but it's like they gentrified the hood. Like, this is Southside. Forest Hill is Southside. Southside Plaza is down the street. Y'all, if you know, you know, bro. Like, Hall Street, Manchester area, like, they make it all cute and gentrified, but it's still like the hood. And so, like, you never know. Just because you make it look cute on the outside does not mean that it's not still corrupt in the inside. And I've seen some things. I used to live down the street, so like our cars used to get broken into often. Like, often. So ain't no telling. So I just like to be cautious and stuff like that. And I'm gonna be honest, I feel like there's a level of delusion that people that don't look like me have about reality. And it's just like, I know I have a level of delusion with me too, because of my faith. And so I am faithful that I can go and nothing's gonna happen to me, and that I can be safe and all the things. But I also have to be mindful of the times that we are in, and the calling that I didn't drop my phone. The calling that's on my life, and be mindful that like anything can happen, and that the enemy will try almost anything. So I just have to be mindful of that. And y'all might be like, yo, it's not that deep. It is that deep. I'm just looking at my lashes, period. But I'm waiting for my food, so I'm gonna start watching a YouTube video and then check back and get my food. My order is from Malaysia. I might just have my email on it. Oh, awesome. Thank you. What can I get for you today? Can I just have the watermelon mint half and half? Yes. Watermelon mint, sweet tea lemonade? Okay. Nuts on? And how do you spell your name? Sorry. Like the country. Malysia. Well, that's not like the country, but I like I was trying to help you out. Alright. So on $2.89. There you go. Thank you. Have a good day. I was trying to help her out, y'all, because that's not how you spell my name. My name, obviously, y'all can see how my name is spelled, but it's pronounced like the country. So I was like the country. When I said like the country, she said, girl, how you spell that? There's a country. It was so funny. Like, the country. Y'all, these people got their brake light taped to the back of their car. I'm excited. Sarah's been telling me that I need to try this lemonade, and I ain't never tried it. But it's just a good day to like try it. Like, why not do all the things? And things 21, do your thing. That's where I'm at, doing my thing. Like, y'all, what? All right, y'all, so I decided to go get me a quick little pedicure, but I did want to talk to you guys for a quick second. I've been having this issue for about some time now, since I've been back home in Richmond, I would say, about how hard it's been for me to invest into myself. Before I got married, before I moved and became a full-time entrepreneur, I did the things to take care of myself. I got my nails done, I got my toes done same day, got my waxes, got facials, got my lashes done. I was doing all the things, and like I'm a high maintenance girl, and like I'm come to terms with I am a little bit high maintenance. I am a little bit, you know, high maintenance, but I'm high maintenance for me. I keep myself up because it makes me feel good, makes my life easy. I'm a kind of a high maintenance, low maintenance girl. If I can have my hair done, my lashes done, my nails done, and my toes done, and my body smooth, I can feel like I can throw on anything, no makeup, no, and my skin clear. I can throw on anything, be anywhere, do anything, and I'm gonna make a video about that. But like, that's literally the truth. Like, I got my lashes done, I do my eyebrows. I want to get my, like I told you, I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. But like, I have that done. I don't have to worry about nothing else. Like brows, lashes, my skin is looking good. My body is in shape. I feel confident in my skin. And like my toes are gonna be done. I'm thinking about putting some press-ons on, or seeing like what that's gonna look like for me to get my nails done here. I do a short set, so like I'm gonna look at their work while I get my pedicure and see what all, you know, is happening. But yeah, but the guy's car beside me started going off, the alarm going off. But just having, like, knowing that like it is not a problem for me to invest in myself. And like, I think, because I'm be honest with you guys, I'm in a place where like I'm relying on my husband. I've never had to until this season. Like the last year, God has yoked us financially, and it's hard to, you know, be a woman and a power role often in my entrepreneurial side of my life, and then having to be like in a submissive role in this way, especially around finances. And it's great, it is a peaceful place to be now, but it's just like I'm still learning and navigating through the thing, you know? So it's just like sometimes, like, I will change the situation, God will bless the situation, you will be in the blessing, and you still have to like come into agreement with the blessing on a daily. Like, you have to agree every single day, like, you know what, this is, I pray for this, I pray for this, I pray for this, I pray for this, and here we are now, and I'm gonna just stand on it. And then to know that like not only did I come into agreement with it, but these other parts of like my support and my friends and my mentors and the people that work inside my business, like, this is an agreement that we've all made to make this thing work. And on the business side of things, this is my brand. Like, this is what I do. Like, this is what sets me, this is what everything has been built off of: beauty and self-care. And no matter what, like, that's what it's gonna be. And God will take me from some things, you know, like change my outlook on certain things and things like that, but like at the core, this is what it is, and I need to be unapologetic about that. And that's what I'm sharing like today, is just like being unapologetic about your self-care and pouring back into yourself. Like, I was honest with my mom. I was just like, yeah, I was gonna get a pedicure, but like if she needs to come home, I'm gonna come and get her. I'll take her to the birthday party. But like, I just, you know, but I think she realized, like, you know what, she just needs some time for herself. She hasn't really asked. I didn't want Halo to go. I wanted her to be home last night, honestly. Like, it's really not that bad, but sometimes you just need some help. So it is 1:33, and I'm about to go get a pedicure, and we're gonna rock out, go home, take a shower. I really want to wear this outfit, but I think I'm gonna do another rendition of this same look, and nude, because yeah, I done sweat all through this. But I'm gonna see y'all later. So as y'all can see, I'm back home. I changed my clothes. I've only been here for 10 minutes, so I was thinking about an outfit to put on. My toes are done. I am so glad that I did that. Just she like was massaging my feet and all the things. Like, she really did her big one with my feet. I'm trying to fix my ring light. I'm not putting on makeup, for real. But as y'all seen earlier, I need to get this lace together, baby. So we're gonna spray her down, do some baby hairs, because look at this. You don't see that? Trifling. I know. So like all this is coming up. I wish I could have y'all closer, but I'm really trying to just like hurry up and do it. Working out and stuff like that, it has lightened up. So I do need to touch up, and I do want to put something on my face. Like brows. Probably just brows. But when we get there, we're gonna get there. All right. So I'm working sections. I was generous with the spray. Alright, so your girl is keeping it simple. She and bodysuit, we love a good basics. I've destroyed all my others, but this is like the last one standing. So here she is in just this nude color. We got mom shorts from Rainbow. I got these last year, I think. And they're just like mom shorts. I'm going to wear my Yeezy foam runners. I don't know if I like that, but that's all I got, honestly, for like shoe options to where like if we're gonna be outside, you know. So that's what I got. And then I'm gonna wear these. These are actually pink, but like they're like this. Let me see. I don't like these, so we're gonna pick another sunglass. These. Yep, these are better. I think I want to change my watch band to go, so give me a second. All right, so I changed my watch band. Fluffed my hair out some more in the bathroom. Here's my fit. So I'm about to go pick up my baby, and we about to be outside. I'm about to be on mommy duty. But yeah. Bye. And last but not least, always lead by living, y'all. Bye.